I have so much clutter to go through. Spare parts everywhere. Trunk, mufflers, wiring, boxes of parts, containers of parts, fenders, steering wheel, axle back exhaust, giant Mazda sign, hood, more body parts, more containers, more exhaust. This stuff isn't going to sort itself out. CTS and Trans Am out. Break for lunch. This is what I have to work with to figure out where to start. We'll get the fenders and box out of the way. The box can be cut down for shipping material. Trans Am parts can go into Trans Am, and CTS parts can go into CTS. I've been getting rid of spare parts, but still have so much to go through. I'll sweep all the trash off the floor and bring everything to the middle. Organizing my detailing products a little better. Same for my aerosol cans, paint, and oil. Got things where they belong and can keep on listing parts. Been a lot of this lately because parts are selling.
Cheap.